Hello, my dear student. Today we discuss about an experiment of class 12th from section B in optics. Experiment is to find the focal length of concave lens using a convex lens. In this experiment, we use these operators: an optical bench, 4 uprights, 2 lens holder, 2 needle, a convex lens and a concave lens. Concave lens, that means which focal length is to be determined. In this experiment, first of all, an object image is placed at the left side of the convex lens so that its real and inverted image form at other side of the lens, which is located by a needle of a convex lens. Which focal length is to be determined is placed between convex lens and image needle. Concave lens diverges the rays and form a real image at I dash, and this I dash is the final image, and I is a virtual object which gives out a real image at I dash. Distance between O2 and I, it becomes position of object, which is U, and distance between O2 and I dash, it is V, which gives out the position of image. These two are in positive according to diagram, and putting these value in this equation, and by calculation we can calculate the focal length of given concave lens.
We are going to do experiment whose aim is to find focal length of concave lens by using convex lens. For this experiment we have need of 2 optical pins. The pin marked by red is as an object pin and this pin is image pin, and it is a lens stand for convex lens, and one more lens stand is placed between convex lens and image lens. First we find the roughly focal length of this convex lens so that we can keep the object needle by more than focal length of convex lens. Okay, I have placed position of convex lens at 100 centimeter and position of object pin is at 118.5 centimeter. Okay. Now I will adjust image pin so that padlocks remove. Okay, now padlock has been completely removed. You can see it. Put the position of object pin, that is 118.5 centimeter. Position of convex lens, that is 100 centimeter, and position of position of image pin, that is 75 centimeter. Okay, now we have to place concave lens between convex lens and image pin. Remember this, that the optical center of both lens should be in same line. And now to remove parallax with the image of object pin, we have to back this image pin. Parallax has been removed between image of object pin and new position of this image pin. This image is formed by combination of both lens and the position of new image pin, that is at 73 centimeter. So note down the position of new image pin, that is 73 centimeter, and position of concave lens is 81 centimeter. Okay, so to find value of u, we have to take distance between concave lens and first position of image pin, because first position of image pin is behaving as a virtual object for concave lens whose final image is formed at new position of image pin. So value of u is 81 minus 75, that is 6 centimeter, and v is 81 minus 73, that is 8 centimeter. Okay, we can calculate the focal length for the first set. For this, f is equal to uv upon u minus v. U is equal to 6, v is 8, 6 minus 8, and it is equal to minus 24 centimeter. So it is minus 24 centimeter. Now we are going to perform second set for the same experiment. For this, I have placed the position of convex lens same, that is 100 centimeter, and the position of object pin, that is marked red, is at 120 centimeter. Now I have to remove parallax between image of object pin and this image pin. Okay, now parallax has been completely removed. You can see that. Now note down the position of all variables. First, position of object pin is 120 centimeter, position of convex lens is 100 centimeter, and position of image pin is 77 centimeter. Now I have to place concave lens between convex lens and image pin. Okay, now I have placed a concave lens between convex lens and image pin. Now again I have to remove parallax between the image of object pin and this image pin. Okay, now parallax has been completely removed. You can observe it. Now note down the position of concave lens for this set 2, that is 85 centimeter, and new position of image pin, that is 73.1 centimeter. Okay, now calculate the value of u, that is equal to difference between the position of concave lens and first position of image lens. It is equal to 8 centimeter, and to find the value of v, take difference between the position of this concave lens 85 and new position of image pin, that is 73.1. The value is 11.9. Calculate the focal length for set 2, that is 8 into 11.9 and 8 minus 11.9. It is 8 into 11.9 divided by 8 minus 11.9, and the on calculating value is result is minus 24.41. So focal length from set 2 is minus 24.41 centimeter. Now we are going to perform third set for the same experiment. For this, I have placed convex lens at the same position, that is 100 centimeter, object pin at 123 centimeter. Now again I have to remove parallax between image of object pin and this image pin, or it is almost removed. Parallax has been removed, you can observe it. At position 80.7 centimeter of image pin, parallax has been completely removed. So now note down the position of all variables. Position of object pin is 123 centimeter. Position of convex lens is 100 centimeter, and position of image pin is 80.7 centimeter. Now again I have to place concave lens in between convex lens and image pin. I have placed concave lens in between convex lens and image pin. Now again I have to remove parallax between image of object pin and this image pin. Okay, at this position parallax has been completely removed. You can observe it. Now note down the position of concave lens, that is 90 centimeter, and new position of image pin is 75 centimeter. To find value of U, take difference between position of concave lens 90 and position of first position of image pin, that is 80.7. So it is equal to 9.3 centimeter. So U for third set is 9.3 centimeter. And to find the value of V, take the difference between concave lens and new position of image, that is 90 minus 75. It is 15 centimeter. For set 3, focal length is equal to 9.3 into 15 divided by 9.3 minus 15. So for set 3, F3 is equal to, put the value of U, that is 9.3, and value of V is 15. Then F3 is equal to minus 24.47 centimeter. That is a focal length of concave lens from third set, minus 24.47. All the values are very close.
In this experiment, we should follow these precautions, just like number 1, the focal length of the convex lens and concave lens should be such that the combination of two lenses in the contact is a converging lens. That means final nature becomes converging lens. ऐसा होना चाहिए. And number 2, the separation between two lenses should be kept small. Otherwise, the field of view will becomes very narrow. And now third, parallax must be removed tip to tip. That means tip to tip parallax should be completely removed. And fourth, while the finding the second position of I dash and image needle, that is find the second position I dash of image needle, both needle O and convex lens O1 should be kept fixed.